Hello everyone, welcome back to CAD NEST. So in this video we are going to see how to use the design software Catia v5. If you are not yet subscribed to our channel, please do click on the red button that is showing at the bottom right corner of the video. So without any delay, let us start the video.
Under Catia, we will be going for generative sheet metal design. So here you will be specifying a name of your component, give it as OK. So it takes you to a sheet metal environment. Here you can see there are no options activated here. There are only two options, that is sheet metal parameters and then recognize option. Recognize option is used to convert your 3D solid material into a sheet metal feature. So I'll be telling it later. So let us see what is sheet metal features. Sheet metal features is nothing but the thickness and then bend radius of your sheet metal. When you specify, only after when you specify your sheet metal features, everything will be activated over here. So let us go for sheet metal features. Here the default will be the thickness is 2 mm and then bend radius will be 4 mm. So if you want, you can change the default over here. So usually the bend radius will be 2 times of a thickness. That is, if your thickness is 3 mm, then your bend radius will be 6 mm. So here I will be taking a default thickness, that is 2 mm and then 4 mm. Give it as OK. So now you can see all the parameters have been activated here. So let us see one by one how to use them. The first command we are going to see is, that is the wall command. Wall command is nothing but a base feature for your sheet metal design. So let us see how to get this wall feature. So for that I will be going for sketch. So here you will be sketching whatever the profile you require. Say for example, I will be taking a hexagon. Like this I have sketched a hexagon. Go for exit. Then now you will be having a wall for this feature. So whatever the profile you have drawn, for that profile you will be adding a wall. And here you cannot specify the extrusion distance and all. Why? Because it is a standard, that is the sheet metal parameters has been set over here. So for that parameters itself, your wall will be created like this. The hexagonal wall has been created. The next command we are having is wall on edge. Wall on edge is nothing but you will be adding a extra walls to your edges. Say for example, I will be taking wall on edge and I select this edge. Now you can see the extra wall has been added to the edges. Here you can specify the angle of edge, that is the angle of rotation, and also you can specify the height of a wall. Say for example, I will be giving it as 200 mm and also the angle I will be giving it as say 45 degree. So now you can see my wall has been created to a angle of 45 degree and then the length of 200 mm. If I give it as 120 degree and then 100 mm, now you can see my material has been created, that is my wall has been created to a distance of 100 mm and then angle of 120 degree. So this is how we will be using wall on edge command. Give it as OK, so that your wall will be created like this. The next command we are having is the extrusion command. Extrusion command is simply used to add a feature for your sheet metal. Say for example, I will be taking a sketch on this face. Say I will be taking some random profile and I am not closing the profile. I am just leaving it this like itself. Exit from the sketch. For this open profile also, you can create your extrusion feature. Go for extrude, select the curve. Here you can see your extrusion will be created. You can specify the height of the extrusion. I'll be giving it as 150 and I'll be selecting mirrored. Mirrored is nothing but from the sketch it will be taking on both the sides. Give it as OK. Then now you can see your extrude feature has been created. So this is how we'll be using extrude command. The next command we are having is flange command. Flange is same as wall of edge, but there is a minute difference over there. So let us see how to use flange. I select the flange and here also I'll be selecting the edge, say this edge, I'll be giving reverse direction. I'll be specifying the length, give it as OK. So here you can see my wall and then flange is a same feature, but the main difference is your wall cannot be used on a curved feature, but your flange can be used over there. So let us see how to use this. For that, I'll be deleting this everything. So I'll be creating a wall. Here I'll be creating a base wall with a say circular profile like this. Go for wall. See here I have created a base profile, that is my base wall as a circular feature. Then if I want to add a wall for this, then if I go for wall on edge, here you can see you cannot specify your, that is your edge is not getting selected. So this is what the disadvantage of wall on edge. But here you can use your flange options. Go for flange, select your edge. Like this you will be specifying your wall. Say for example, I'll be giving it as 150 mm length, and then angle will be giving it as 120 degrees. Give it as OK. So like this you will be creating your flange option. That is a simple sheet metal feature. In flange itself we have many types. That is a hem feature, teardrop, and then user flange. Let us see how to use them. So I'll be taking a flat wall right now with the help of sketch. I'll take a wall. So I'll be taking a rectangle feature here. Exit from the sketch, go for wall, add a wall to your feature. Then next let us see how to use these features. For that I'll be adding a simple wall on this edge and a distance of 200, angle of 90 degree. Give it as OK. So here I have added a wall. For this we'll be using these commands. The first command is hem command. Hem is nothing but a closed surface will be created. Go for hem. Select your edge. Here you can see a closed face will be created like this. That is your sheet metal bend will be created. Here you can specify the length. Say for example I'll be giving it as 50, and then you can specify the radius also. If you give it as 6 or else 10 mm, then you can see your radius will be created like this. That is your hem flange will be created. So this is how we'll be using hem flange. Same way we are having teardrop. So teardrop is nothing but some more bend will be produced here. Let us go for teardrop. Select your edge. Here you can specify your length. I'll be giving it as 50, and then radius, let me give it as 10. So here you can see a closed edge will be produced like this. So this is nothing but teardrop. Under hem feature we will be having a bend. Under teardrop we will be having a closed end. So this is the main difference between hem and then teardrop feature. So in the upcoming videos, let us see some more sheet metal features. So this is all for now. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you.